Alright guys, today I'm going to tell you guys how you can make your car hood sound quieter for just like $3. So if you have an old classic car, I'm doing on a 1960 Ford Starliner, a pretty rare car, but my hood sounds like this. And I did this car the other day. See, same banging, and it's much quieter. Let me open up the hood in this one to show you. As you can listen, as I'm opening it up, it's quiet. Wondering, what did I do? So you guys want to get some kind of caulk for it. I got this roof cement here. I'll try to have a price somewhere on the screen, but any just glue, caulk could probably work as long as it can harden. This ain't fully hardened, as you can see. I just did it last week, but it's nice and quiet, and listen to it how I close it. But yeah guys, what you want to do, you want to get it in the cracks here, especially up in front where it's going to rattle from that. You want to get it all on the sides. Try to get it in even, like, mirrored. Way back there too, that's a big gap. What happened in factory, you had these little things of putty. Over time, as they growed, vibrates them off, and slamming the hoods, they break off. That car I did the other day, they were all completely gone. So let me show you how quiet this thing is. Quiet closing. Man, that's good. Anyone still skeptical on it? Here's Swamp Monster. One-handed, guys. One-handed here. It's loud. One little tap, it's loud. So that's how you guys can make any classic car hoods, or even trunk lids. Or you might have this problem with long, thin cars. These panels, sometimes there's support cross members. Sometimes that glue comes loose, and let me show you what it will sound like. Whew! Good thing my fingers were under there. It just slammed shut. Come to the spotlight car. Let me go to the other side, because this one, you can see it bubbles and stuff because the glue broke off. But yeah, to this, all the way from that car. I haven't touched this car because that's loud. $25. You can get it cheap. Thanks for watching. You want to see any of these cars? Check out the full the channel. Just got some done welding this car. Found out I can fit in some other Starliner parts in there, or Galaxy parts. So if you really enjoyed, hit that like button and comment down below if this found it helpful for you. You have any other questions, comment down below, like what other stuff I recommend, and comment down below what else I can help you out with. And yeah, I'm the test subject here. I'm the guinea pig. Comment down below your ideas. I'll try to answer them, and subscribe if you really want to be a good sport. I'm at 36 subscribers, and so close for watch time hours, so just play a video while you're off working or something. Thanks for watching. I hope it found you